Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I love my home, but if there was one thing that I could fix about it, it would be to have a bigger laundry room. My tiny laundry room does not have enough space for a bunch of big, bulky laundry baskets, and that's why I'm so pleased with this collapsible pop-up laundry hamper from HEON. This basket is perfect for getting clothes out of the dryer in my tiny and cluttered laundry room. It's the perfect size to fit in my dryer, and then you spin the drum and everything falls nicely into the hamper for easy transport to your folding table. Then you simply hang it up on the provided hook. This laundry basket is sturdy and durable. I can do whole loads of towels or jeans, and it shows no signs of ripping or stretching. The material is well made and the stitching is strong, so I know this is going to last me for a really long time. So if you're looking for a durable laundry hamper that won't take up any space in your laundry room, then look no further than this collapsible laundry hamper from HEON. And that's my point of view.